It's been a good learning curve. It's getting used to the island as well as the job. In terms of the airport, it's a very nice airport. The staff are incredibly professional, incredibly hardworking. In terms of challenges, there are challenges as you would expect. Having a look at what we're doing, we've got some regulatory issues that we're in the process of fixing. We're having a look at master planning, so how do we work with our assets that we've got, and actually what vision do we have for the airport, where do we want to grow it? And that's not where we think that'll also be an element of going out and consulting of actually what do people want our airport to be, and the conscious decisions that come with that of if you want it to be quick and efficient, then you're not necessarily going to have something that you can sit down for 4 or 5 hours with, like a waterfall like Changi. And then in terms of that, the other bit is routes and commerciality of the airport. So what routes do we need? What routes do people want? And then how do we do it? Routes is a pretty complex topic. As an airport, you have the routes that you could grow, but if this was mainland UK, if somebody decided not to fly to Liverpool, we could just then replace that with someone flying somewhere else. It's almost a numbers game. On an island, the routes that we fly and the frequency that we fly are actually important. So it's how do we protect those routes? And sometimes that's how do we not oversaturate routes? Because what the worst situation will be if you suddenly have lots of airlines come to fly one particular route, they then all start to lose money on that, and then they all stop flying that route. So again, it's what do we do in terms of route connectivity, and then how do we make it so that we become less of a burden on the taxpayer? We've had a mixture of locals and we've had a mixture of tourists, particularly around the Manx GP. The good thing is the tourists thought it was fantastic. They think it's a really nice little airport. They're regular users of it. They come every year for Manx Grand Prix and for the TT. And all they say is compared to lots of other airports they fly to, they actually quite enjoy the journey. It's quick, it's quiet, it's efficient.